Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge. However, there are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dive computers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sunto Supernova Wrist Scuba Diving Computer. The Sunto Supernova Dive Computer is a great choice for entry-level divers. It tracks your descent and ascent and alerts you if you move too quickly. The easy-to-read screen shows your air and nitrox levels, date and time, depth, and temperature. Large buttons allow you to quickly move through the interface. The Sunto Supernova Dive Computer is available in a wrist model as well as console-mounted. This is one of the top choices of dive centers, as it is a good value and easy to learn how to use. While considered entry-level, it is nitrox capable and will meet the needs of all recreational divers. Positive side of this product: 4 operating modes: air, nitrox, gauge, and freediver. Timer for air and nitrox modes. Integrated apnea timer. Number 2. Cressi Jodo Wrist Computer. The Cressi Jodo is another great entry-level dive computer available in both console and wrist configurations. Displaying depths up to 120 meters, the Cressi Jodo wrist computer will allow you to take this with you, no matter where you dive. A simple 3-button system allows you to navigate through the interface with ease on the visible screen. The computer has the standard alarms and indicators that can be turned off if not needed. The user-changeable battery has a 3-year life expectancy. Up to 70 hours or 60 dives can be saved, where you can compare your time and details with ease. An optional cable set allows you to transfer data to your home computer. Positive side of this product: high-definition screen. Logbook, 70 hours or 60 dives. 3 easy-to-navigate menus. Number 3. Cressi Leonardo Underwater Single-Button Diving Computer. This amazing Cressi Leonardo Scuba Dive Computer is the best affordable watch-style dive computer that is perfect for those new to the sport. With a single-button interface, programming air, nitrox, and gauge is a breeze. An edge-to-edge high-definition screen makes this dive computer easy to read, while still being incredibly compact. Traveling is made easy with this computer's size and long battery life. The battery life is indicated on the screen, so you can be assured you have enough time before your dive. Equipped with a 60-dive, 70-hour logbook memory function and transferable to a home computer with an optional cable. 3 levels of user-adjustable conservatism for those who feel they need extra risk management. This dive computer can dive into depths beyond recreational limits and work with altitude adjustment up to 3,700 meters. This watch effortlessly goes where you go. Positive side of this product: 120-meter dive depth. 70-hour logbook memory. Single-button interface, modes, air, nitrox, and gauge. Number 4. Shearwater Research Petrol 2SA Dive Computer. Shearwater Research Petrol 2SA Dive Computer is the gold standard for advanced technical diving and closed-circuit diving. This dive computer from Shearwater is an exceptional piece of technology. The brightly colored 2.4-inch screen shows everything you need to know in a small compact design. Stainless steel screws hold the waterproof plate in place, while a dual strapping system ensures this high-tech scuba computer stays on your body at all times. Positive side of this product: air nitrox thermix capable. Runs of a single AA battery. Logs 1,000 hours of diving. Number 5. Deepa Cosmic Plus Dive Computer Bluetooth. Deep Blue started with people's love for diving and is devoted to providing divers the best diving computers. Cosmic Plus Dive Computer features a 2.2-inch, pixel-less, bright and high-contrast display. While you can read the real-time dive information clearly, even in the deepest depths, and on night dives without shining your torch onto it. The Cosmic Plus Dive Computer is rechargeable, no need to worry about replacing the battery. The USB magnetic charging design makes charging easy and convenient. It has impressive battery life, providing 7 to 12 hours of diving time, and up to 30 days standby time on a single charge. Connecting to the Deep Blue app via Bluetooth, you can set up your diving computer and sync your dive logs. Additionally, the app makes it easy to share your diving experiences through social media, look for buddies in groups, and discover featured dive sites. Positive side of this product: technologically sophisticated and well-structured. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.